agad.
The mystery of faith.
Ini sila banilan.
Ha?
Banilan. Pero ka ba sa banilan? Uy, kalimot ko. Kalimot ko si Awi.
Singon.
Kalimot ko si Awi niya ra. Man. Siya maning auto ay di man masira. Ano mag-city?
Sobra man duha ma. Sobra man duha.
Bless na po ko na siya, man. Man, look, they have like collections of Santo Nino. Oh yeah, Santo Nino with hair. Like Santo Nino with real hair. And then they want this guy. It's got like an adventurer style to it. We also have like one that looks like the one on the calendar. It really looks like the one on the calendar. Like whenever you buy a Santo Nino calendar, that's like the standard face. I don't know if it's that same one. We also got other kinds. Bobby, they got niños, Bobby. They got niños, oh. That one actually has like rubies encrusted on the crown. We also have a wooden one. It doesn't have arms though. So I'm not sure if they had it made or what. And some of them look like they're made of ivory. Like that one. I know some of them look creepy, especially with, you know, the light coming from like down below. Makes them look like, you know, scary monsters. This one's actually very fancy. So I'm not sure if it's made of gold. It's even got pearls and like a relic in the middle. So I can't really read what the inscription says. We also have one that's yeah, right. It's huge, right? Huge. Come on, let's go now. So we've taken videos of this before. This mall has their own like light show. See? So it's nice to take your kids out here. It's on the 4th floor. And if you go to the terraces, they also have their own thing over there where the whole park is just littered with these LED lights that change color. Yeah, it's a pretty interactive thing to do for kids, especially, you know, when they're having trouble sleeping at night, or, you know, just want to show them how lights fancy, how lights can fancy, how they can get fancy with lights. Alright, we're finally at our destination. We're here to meet my aunt. Right there. Ah, that's my whole family. Na, let's go home na. Ready to go home na? Dili pa eh. Mag-play pa mi dad. Play pa mi dali.